Hey guys, we are officially taking the camper out, not just for a drive, we are going camping. As we said yesterday, we're going to try it out to see how things are going to work out for us, and we just left the house. How long should it take us to get there?
Well, we got to stop on Walmart. So probably about 45 minutes if we didn't stop. Probably a couple hours.
Probably so, yeah. If you guys go to Walmart, you know how tripping there can be sometimes. You may go for one or two things and be in there an hour or two. But we just got to get some last minute things that we need to help us out when we're in our home away from home. So little Tucker's back here riding. Tucker boy, what you doing? You sitting all comfy? He's still a little nervous about riding, but we're hoping the next few times that he'll get a little used to it and not be as scared.
This trip is mainly for us to be able to find out exactly what we need and what we don't need. Our work schedule is so busy. This is really the first time we're able to get away. We're planning on longer trips in June. We'll be gone for hopefully a couple weeks at a time, but this is just kind of get our feet wet to see what we need and what we don't need.
As you can see, we're on the road. We live in a bunch of farming. Well, I guess our town is known for not just farming, but we also have sawmills where we live. And but the thing we like about where we live, it's just being out in the country, which is being out in nature, God's creation, and that's just one of the things we love. And that's another reason we love camping too, is because we just get to get away from our routine and do something that we enjoy. We may have a little bit of rain. I know you guys can probably see it on the windshield, but there is rain in the forecast, but we're not going to let that get us down. We're just going to enjoy ourselves, and no matter if it's sunny, raining, we're just going to, have a good time together. And hopefully little Tucker will have a good time as well. He's got his bed back there, he's got his toys, and he can entertain himself sometimes pretty good. But like yesterday, he doesn't want to look at the camera too much. But he is a curious little fella. Aren't you, Tucker? Aren't you, Tucker? Yeah. But this is all, for now. I wanted to just let you guys know kind of what we're doing. And we'll get back on here and I guess talk to you about some other things.
Hey, guys. Well, just wanted to touch base with you and let you know how the camping trip went. It's kind of rainy, we couldn't really spend a lot of time
He's
outside.
ready to play.
But we did get to camp. We did learn a lot. Didn't have a chance to, do a lot of moving around and looking around. We stayed at Cherokee Landing State Park. Very nice, full hookups, which have worked out really good. A few things that we kind of discovered along the way that we need. Number one, we need a better console. Our console it was from 1995, so it's really not.
It's held up, but
it's held up, but it's just not very.
It's old.
We need something better, so we're going to be looking for a console. We can just kind of unbolt that one and bolt another one back in. We mentioned about the battery terminal. One of the things that I didn't really do before I left was to go ahead and replace that. So sure enough, when we got up in the morning to get ready to unpack and leave, and I started unpacking everything. It was pouring down rain. I was soaking wet, and got everything unpacked, got everything going, and went to start it. Of course, it wouldn't start. So we got it started, got it home, and then did get a chance to change that out. So everything's going good now. Another thing that we found that is going to have to be replaced is couple things. One of them was their
lights.
The light bulbs. We're missing some light bulbs.
Well, the bathroom light.
Yes, we need a bulb in the bathroom.
Well, that light right there.
We need a bulb above the sink.
Yeah.
We need a bulb right in the hallway there.
Yeah.
So several bulbs that we need to get. But we need to replace the vent in the bathroom. The cover it's got some cracks in it. So
we didn't realize that till
last night. We went into the bathroom and
no, it was this morning.
This morning, you could feel you could tell that it was like a drip every 5 or 6 minutes. But that'd be one thing we need to fix. We've got it covered up, patched up right now, but we need to get that fixed. Anything else?
With some stuff we forget to bring with us. Some stuff we forgot to bring with us, like the essentials. We had eggs and bacon this morning, and we were halfway there, and he's like, we didn't get salt and pepper. Went to Walmart now, but I don't think it was on the list. So
no, I didn't think about salt and pepper. I guess it's one of those things.
Well, you thought about it when we were halfway there.
I thought about it when we were actually thinking about
and
what
I don't think they sell that at your campground. So.
Probably not.
But the bacon, I cooked it first, and then it helped for the eggs.
It turned out pretty good.
We had that, and we had biscuits, and then, of course, last night we had pizza, which that's kind of odd, I guess, to have.
It was kind of rainy, so
but we really couldn't think of anything else we really wanted.
Couldn't really get a fire going, so no hot dogs or s'mores. But hey, we enjoyed it. It was a good time.
Yeah,
everything worked out good. A lot of things. A couple things we've got to get. We've got to get a something for our sewer hose.
Yeah.
To where that. It's supposed to be like a gravity fed thing, so they make these little stands that you can buy that kind of make it where it's a steady angle down. So we definitely need to get one of them.
Last night where we stayed though, it was neat because we actually had the sewer where you could dump,
that was
and
nice.
We didn't have to go to the dump station.
That was super nice.
Yes.
That we didn't have to do that, and we were able to put a little water. That another thing that we did learn is to keep a little bit of water in our fresh water tank because.
Right.
When we were coming back, when we were going and we stopped at Walmart, we needed a little bathroom break, and no problem. Then we realized that we had no water in the fresh water tank.
Right.
So,
kind of hard.
Lesson learned. We'll keep a little bit of water in there.
We're new to this.
That's right. So,
right.
And that's what this trip was about. Was just learning some things, and I think Tucker had a good time.
I think he did.
I think he enjoyed it.
He napped really well when we got home.
He did. We all napped pretty good when we got home. This has been kind of a rainy day here. But
I think the only other issue we had was our steps. But
yeah, we did have a little issue with the steps, and it has resolved itself. So I'm really not sure what happened.
It had a glitch.
Maybe
it's just wet.
In the machine. I don't know. I thought maybe
it's just wet. It has quit raining. Of course, it's gotten kind of dark.
True. Who knows?
Outside, but
who knows? But yeah. But it was a great trip, and as we get ready to count down to June when we're going to be gone for 2 weeks, it's really not that far.
Well, we're not going to be at the same place for 2 weeks though.
Right, we're going to be moving around a little bit, but we got some action items that we need to do, but a place to start.
Absolutely,
it was a good trip, good to get away. We both stayed pretty busy, so it was good to get away and enjoy it. But anyway, guys. Anything else before we sign off?
I can't think of it. If y'all have any questions or comments or solutions to problems or just ideas or tips that you may have, just right there at the bottom, leave us a comment. And
we need all the solutions we could get. We're total rookies, total noobs to this.
This kind of camping anyway. We've camped
we've been
for 10 years at least.
Together for 10 years.
Yeah. So, we love that too, but we both said this morning it was nice to be able to sleep in a bed instead of having to sleep on a cot or a cushion and actually be comfortable. So.
It was very nice.
Even with the rain waking us up, we still slept really good.
It was. What did you think about the campground, the Cherokee Landing in Saulsbury, Tennessee?
It was really, really nice.
Really nice. Of course, when we got there kind of late, and it looked like things were kind of closed down. But they had putt golf. They had a really nice pool. Basketball.
Well, the pool wasn't ready.
Pool wasn't ready, no.
Not that we were going swimming. But,
no, but they had nice facilities. They had place for propane, place for ice, and and even had a thing tonight that we're going on. Of course, we missed it. They're having the Cinco de Mayo. So but even kind of wish we'd have stayed another night. But anyway, that's kind of how it goes.
If we had it, we would have went.
I think it'd be a good campground. It's close to home, and it'd be good to get away and go. But guys, we really appreciate y'all coming on this journey with us. And just kind of seeing us learn as we go, and we just appreciate it. And if you like what you see, would you hit that thumbs up button down there? Leave us a comment, and if you like what we're doing, hit subscribe. But once again, guys, thanks again. Appreciate your time and watching this video.
Thank you for RVing with Tucker.
That's right. God bless, folks.